Guys, I'm going to talk to you today about a really incredible platform, okay, that is doing things to help people in the e-com space. And I say people, I mean myself as well. I'm also going to be speaking about a platform that once you use this tool, you're going to have a fulfillment service. And I'm going to talk about that platform today, which is the best. So guys, let's get into this video. I want to give a big disclaimer, okay? I've been a dropship for about 6 years and I've made an incredible amount of money, but I didn't do that. I use tools, I use companies, I use platforms to help me elevate my business. And if you want to go down the route I did, let me show you all the way through this channel how and what I used. Let's get into it. So guys, here you can see eCommBoardroom.com, all right, where you can grow organic traffic by 204% with the leading e-commerce platform. It's really, really cool. And you can actually start a free trial, which is absolutely insane. So if you want to start that free trial today, you can. This is more than just a Shopify system, okay? This is an AI to find attack keywords in your product category, which means SEO is going to be absolutely fantastic. And you can see here just on the inside how it's starting to look. Okay, when it comes to the e-commerce world, you need tools that work. Now, SEO is the most reliable way. These tools are going to help you because if you don't know about SEO and you're not an SEO expert, which I don't think anybody really is, okay, without tools, then you're going to need this. This is going to help you get an average monthly revenue growth of 488%, 204% in traffic growth, and 10 hours saved per week creating SEO optimized content. All right, this is insane. So I'm going to show you inside of here just in a second as we go through the features so you can actually see what it looks like inside because I use this as much as I can. Now, it's got AI-powered SEO, analytics and reports, AI-generated product photos, inventory analysis, customer relationship management, and a multi-store dashboard, all right? These integrations allow you to save so much time, and the pricing is so affordable, guys. $24 for solo entrepreneur, $49 for the group, and only $99, guys. I spent that in Starbucks in 2 days, okay, for the enterprise. So let's see what it looks like, okay? And you can see here, $184 ad spend. So it's really, really cool. Inside, you've got all of the different features. You can use the SEO AI with the keyword research, the creating content audit. The analytics are here, the CRM, the financials, and much more, guys. And this is a really, really cool tool you can get for such an affordable price. And if you want to do an affiliate on this, you also can, guys. So what should you pair this up with? Okay, you should be pairing this up with, of course, fulfillment, which is going to help you when it comes to the global distribution of your product, okay? This is a fulfillment service of drop shipping in China, all right, allowing you to source China branding and product photography services anywhere and ship them to anywhere you want, especially with their super, super famous private line service. They could do drop shipping, China sourcing, Amazon FBA, private line, product photography, crowd fulfillment, okay, all inside this one ecosystem. So if you are thinking, why should you choose them? You need global reach and local expertise, this is for you. If you need personalized support, this is for you. If you need some cost effectiveness, this is for you. And how you partner this with boardrooms, guys, is super important because the SEO has to be on point for fulfillment to be able to do their job incredibly well. So partnering these two tools together, guys, platforms together, is my advice on how to become a successful dropshipper. So literally hit the get a demo, start a free trial. You'll get access to the dashboard, guys. You'll start dominating SEO inside of your business, okay? You can see here the domain authority, what it shows, all the different analytics, all right? It doesn't matter what you're trying to do. They even have backlink acquisition services that you can use to make sure that your brands boost the SEO by acquiring high quality backlinks, guys. It's very, very incredible, okay? So I need you to use both of these. Check out fulfillment right now, get a free quote, get that system set up so when you do your SEO, everything can run smoothly. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor, hit the links down below, go and check these out. If you're using these tools together, it is a guaranteed success story for you. So let's hit that like button, hit subscribe with the bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.